Hi guys, it's Constant Gamer. Today I'm going to show how to fix Insanity Life error. Many of you have experienced the patching error like this. Error file not found, code 12150 result 4. The only solution is that you download this file. Insanity Life manual launcher only use if client is fully updated. Once you downloaded this file, find your Insanity Life folder. Now here's my Insanity Life folder, and what you want to do is drag this to your folder, move to Insanity Life, and after that, just click on it. As you can see, guys, it has an error, right? And after you click on that, you will run the manual patch. Just click on it, guys. And see, guys, you will not have an error. Just wait to load it up, guys. And there you go, guys. That's how to fix the code result. The error file not found, code 12150 result 4. Just put in the manual patcher and run it. So I hope this helped you guys. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.